This 2024 KZ Connect 261RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 30 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, TV, awning, smoke detector, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, oven, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 KZ Connect 261RB is 6,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.